Here is the original sketch. Every great logo begins with a simple idea, and this sketch is where the creative process starts. At this stage, the goal isn't perfection, it is about exploring the concept, understanding the form, and creating a strong foundation for the design. Once the concept feels right on paper, it is time to recreate it digitally. The first step is building a basic structure rather than tracing every line exactly as it appears. I am refining the shape while preserving the original idea. This approach helps create cleaner geometry and more balanced logo. As the design starts to take its shape, I focus on refining every curve, angle, and connection. These adjustments may seem subtle, but they are what transforms a rough sketch into a professional logo. Great design is often the result of many small improvements rather than one dramatic change. Throughout the process, I am constantly checking the proportions, spacing, and overall balance. Every element needs to work together as a single unified work. A successful logo should feel like simple, memorable, and visually balanced from every angle. Now it is time to polish the finer details. Clean vector paths are essential because they ensure the logo remains sharp and scalable at any size, whether it is a printed on business card, embroidered on apparel, or displayed on billboard. A well-built vector logo mountains its quality good everywhere. With the main structure complete, I make the final refinements to the curves, alignment, and overall composition. Sometimes, even the smallest adjustment can improve the visual harmony of the entire design. And here is the final transformation from simple hand drawn sketch to a clean professional vector logo. This process shows how an initial idea evolves into polished brand mark that is ready for the real world applications. And that's how this sketch becomes a clean vector logo. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more logo design and branding content. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.